हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू अनदर फैंटास्टिक वीडियो ऑफ जीरो चार्ज। मेरा नाम है अंकित एंड आज मैं आपके लिए एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट लेके आया हूं जो आपकी डेली कुकिंग नीड्स को फुलफिल करेगा, वो भी एक पोर्टेबल फॉर्म फैक्टर में। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अगारो मल्टी केटल पॉट। सो लेट्स क्विकली अनबॉक्स दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड देखते हैं ये प्रोडक्ट जो है वो कैसा परफॉर्म करता है। सो इनसाइड द बॉक्स वी गेट अ वारंटी कार्ड। इसमें हमें 2 साल की वारंटी मिल जाती है, 1 यूजर मैनुअल, मल्टी केटल पॉट अलॉन्ग विद ग्लास लिड, 1 स्टीमर बास्केट and finally 1.2 meter power cord. Alright, so if I talk about some specifications for this AGARO multi-kettle pot, it has got a food grade double layered body. It has also got an auto shut off feature. In this multi-kettle pot you get 2 heating functions, that is low and high. So based on your requirement आप इसे change कर सकते हैं. This kettle has got a dry boil protection. So in case आपके kettle में पानी जो है वो dry हो जाए, आपका kettle जो है वो automatically turn off हो जाएगा so that आपका appliance जो है वो खराब ना हो. Alright, so now let's connect the power cord. The inner part of this kettle is ceramic coated, which is very good. So now let me add some water and I will turn it on to high heat. You can see that there is a light coming on. This is a 700 watt kettle. So it will take few minutes to boil and after that I will add eggs. You can see that already steam is forming. Water has started to boil in just 1 minute and outside body is very cold to touch. So I'm gonna add 3 eggs. And close the lid and wait for 5 to 7 minutes for eggs to boil. There is absolutely no sound in the kettle. I can only hear the water boiling. The build quality of this AGARO multi-kettle pot is super solid and it feels premium as well. Alright, so eggs are boiled now. Let me turn it off. You can see that within 5 minutes कितने simple तरीके से eggs जो है वो boil हो गए. With the help of steamer, you can also steam your vegetables, corn or any other thing you like. So let's try steaming vegetables. Now let's leave it for 10 minutes and उसके बाद हम इसे check करेंगे.
A few moments later.
So you can see that the vegetables are steamed as well. Alright, so now we will make pasta. Let me add water. I will turn on the heat to high. So water has started to boil. Let me add pasta. Similarly, you can cook rice, vegetables, soups, Maggi and any other thing that you like. Please remember not to use a steel spoon or spatula so that आपके inner pot की coating जो है वो खराब ना हो. Let me add seasoning to taste. Alright, so delicious pasta is ready to be served now. Now I will wash this kettle with a mild soap and please try to use a nylon scrub. आप देख सकते हैं ये कितने easily जो है वो clean हो गया. Please try to avoid water on the on-off knob as much as possible. Also try to avoid any direct water on the base. You can see that the kettle pot is easily cleaned now. I hope आप लोगों को आज का वीडियो एंड ये अगारो का मल्टी केटल पॉट जो है वो पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया होगा, लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं, आप वहां से परचेज कर सकते हैं. Also do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that मैं आपके लिए ऐसा कंटेंट बनाता रहूं. With that note, once again thank you for watching my channel. जय हिंद.